So today guys, I'm going to show you how I made my own leave-in conditioner. So I actually have the Ashanti shea butter. I have the yellow one. No, this is the solid. I actually had it before and I had the softer one, right? And I would use it alone. No, I bought it. I didn't realize it was the solid. I bought it or thought it was the one I had before. Only to come home, I recognized it was the solid one I had. So I have been using it and it has been difficult, so I said I'm going to try using it differently. So I'm going to make my own leave-in conditioner. And so this is so I'm going to be using it. What I do here, I take some into a bowl. This is what I have now, and then I'm going to put it into the double boil. I'm going to use the double boiler method. So there I have it on my stove. My water is boiling, so I'm doing the double boiler method. Once this is melted, then I'm going to add some other oils to this, and then I will mix. So stay tuned. I'm going to allow this to melt for a little bit, and then I add the other ingredients. All right guys, so I have my leave-in conditioner here, and I'm using the Cantu leave-in conditioner repair cream. So I don't have a lot in this, so I'm just going to use all of this. So I'll pour it out like this. So I'm not going to be doing a whole lot because I'm doing this for the first time, like using it this way. So I'll go in with this. So it's not a lot, as you see, but I'm just going to use everything, and I'm going to place it back into this container when I'm done. All right, and then we have, this is our oil that we had before, so we're just going to pour it in to see and we also have our, so as you recognize guys, I melted too much of this shea butter, but not to worry, it didn't waste. I went and got myself another leave-in conditioner, which I will certainly use with the rest of the oil that I have left over. My lavender oil, just a little drop. This is basically to mask the smell because we also have castor oil as well. I'm not using any measurement now, so don't judge me, right? So we have our Jamaican black castor oil and some other ingredients in this. We also have a coconut oil. So we're basically going with a series of oil. Not going to use a whole lot, just a small amount. And we'll see how this will turn out. And then we will go in and wow, loving how this is looking, like I'm baking my cake. They want to make sure that it is smooth. Wow, love this. This looking really, really good. You see this consistency, nice and smooth. Then all I will do is to pour this back into my so this is really nice. So there you have it. So my hair is freshly washed and it's looking really nice. And I'm going to now use the ingredient that I just made. Wow, my hair is soft, feeling really nice. I used the banana mask, just finished using some banana mask. So here is the ingredient, there it is. So, and then we just apply it to all of the hair. So that's what we're going to be doing. So it's our own DIY leave-in conditioner. I used to do it before, haven't done it in a while. So I decided that I wanted to do it again and to see if this will help reduce in the breakage, because it's still, though it has reduced, it is still happening. I have not gotten rid of it completely. Even while I was shampooing my hair earlier today, you know, I saw a lot of breakage happening. So it means I still have not. So my hair is not feeling as strong as I think it should. So, but I'm grateful because I'm seeing progress, so that's important. So once I fully saturate the hair, because it has everything in it, when I'm ready to style my hair now, then there's no need for me to put any additional items into the hair. So this is really looking good. You are seeing a lot of definition to the end. My hair is coming on really good and I'm loving it. So once I'm done with this side, of course, you know, we tend to do these things in sections because it makes processes easier when we do in sections. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm doing one side, then I go to the other side, and then I will do the back. But I'm sure you're seeing that I'm pretty excited about the journey ahead. 2023, I'm definitely going to maximize the growth based on what I had before, what I saw for 2022. I will maximize that growth. So for the other side, we are still doing the same love and care for the next side. There. So I'm going to see how long this moisturizing cream will stay in. So remember, it's our own leave-in conditioner and moisturizing cream. We're going to see how long it will stay. So I'll definitely let you know in another video if this lasted any time. Because we're trying to avoid touching our hair too often. So we need to have something that will hold moisture in for us. So I'm hoping this will help. So we actually had water because the hair was not dried. So I have water. So when I'm going to use it next again, I will use my aloe vera leave-in that I made, and then I will use this after. Because of course you want to make sure you apply something water-based first, and then you go in. So this is why I'm saying my hair is still having some, because this is what coming out as well. Really shouldn't be seeing anything like that. So the hair is still not fully straightened. We're still having some breakage, but notwithstanding, we are grateful because you would have seen the length. So what we'll do the back, and then hopefully we will style and show you the finished product. So unfortunately, I did not get the opportunity to show you a picture of the finished product, but what I can truly say, my hair kept moisturized for the entire week. That was a first. I was so happy about it. So if you love what you see, you know what to do. Go right ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I know my hand was a little heavy on the oils, but next time I'll perfect it. So thank you so much for watching, and I definitely see you in my next one. Bye everyone. Mwah.